What's good, y'all? It's Fresco VK, and Stadium Goods is open in 2 locations. So if you're in Chicago, pull up to 60 East Walton Street. If you're in Manhattan, New York City, pull up to 47 Howard Street and tell them that Fresco sent you. But I got a special unboxing look for you guys today. One of the most sought after dunks of 2021. It's the Nike Dunk High Ambush. I know you want to see what that looks like, so say less with all this talking. Yo, let's get straight to these shoes. Ambush easily has some of the most futuristic designs that we've seen amongst their brand aesthetic. And back in 2019, we saw the release of the Ambush x Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star 70. The visions of Yoon from Ambush are easy hits among sneaker lovers. I personally love a good high top, and the military-inspired design that came with that Converse served with 2 purposes, not only some good sauce, but also functionality. Now in 2021, Queen Yoon's vision is expressed through 2020's top silhouette, the Nike Dunk. So here we have a look at the box top, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments. We got that black on black right there, and of course the ambush on the outside of both sides. So here we have the Nike Dunk High Active Fuchsia Ambush. We have the complete active fuchsia that runs throughout that entire upper, accompanied by some awesome tumble leather. I feel like the material on this shoe is immaculate. Then we have the wax-coated laces, and of course, the ambush and the swoosh right there on the tongue. And these shoes were designed to look like they were almost already in motion. So the design inspiration comes from Japanese car and motorcycle culture. So if you look, you'll see on that outer panel and the inner panel the extended swooshes that are made to look like tailpipes. So if you think about a motorcycle and how it's built, the tailpipes extend past the heel or the back of the bike, much like these extended swooshes extend past the heel of the actual shoe. So as we get to that heel area, you'll see the ambush right above the midsole, back to the outer panel, midsole completely active fuchsia, and the outsole completely active fuchsia. So when we get to the inserts of the shoe, they are neon green with the black ambush logo on the inside. But before we close out with the 2021 Active Fuchsia Dunk High Ambush, we cannot forget about the 2020 version that released in the 4th quarter of 2020. And ironically enough, it was paired with a line of apparel designed by Yoon for Ambush and the NBA. And it featured the Brooklyn Nets, of course you gotta shout out Brooklyn, and the NBA champion LA Lakers. So we have the full black and white color blocking. This gives you kind of a little bit more of that motorcycle feel that I was talking about. And then of course the active fuchsia. Both we have available right here. Well, not right here, but at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street in Manhattan, Soho area, or 60 East Walton Street in Chicago. So if you get a chance, make sure you pull up and tell them that Fresco sent you. But if you cannot pull up, make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com. It's available everywhere. So make sure you go to stadiumgoods.com. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And last but not least, do remember to download the Stadium Goods app available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, fits, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. I am Fresco VK. This has been the Ambush Dunk High. Salud.